Hello Ladybugs, Yolanda here from Ladybug Studio, and I have a gorgeous journal to sell you, yes, to show you is what I mean to say. Loads of ribbon, it's just very beautiful, lots of shabby chic. I have used Amity Holt, oh my goodness, Amity Bloom papers for this. And just a variety, you know what it's like, you mix and match and whatever. So here, if you want measurements, let's have a look. We have more or less 7.5 by 5.5. So here, this opens. This is a tuck spot here. I'm just going to go through it pretty quickly, you know, a doily, etc., etc. These are all journaling pages. Here is an envelope with journal cards inside. Put it in there. That's the envelope. We have this cute little, little photographs in here would be great. Or, and this just opens out, or you can journal it. Another little tag there. It's a really cute journal. I've been humming and hawing whether to put this to sell or not, but anyway, here it is. And we have this very pretty section here, the doily, chiffon tags. Let's just, yeah, there. This is lovely. I don't know, I really like this journal. If it goes, it goes. If it doesn't, I guess I'll be using it. Some papers that you can use throughout. Then we have this little envelope, which is empty, and this goes on here. Tags. And another Amity Bloom envelope with some cards inside. And this gorgeous, gorgeous lace. Here we go. This is my own set of pictures. I want to do more like this. Excuse me, this is vintage paper, book page. This is very cute. You can stick a little photograph in here. It's a folder right in here, or put stuff in there. Look at the page. This, it's got lovely texture, this. That opens there, and this is a tag that goes in here. Then we have this little pocket with some extra stickers that can go in there, and some paper, vintage paper. And then we have here like so. That opens. Look at that. Just for decoration, this page. It's just really beautiful. Let's just bring it back. This is some washi tape there. And where does this go? It must go on here. Again, this is just a little envelope with some stickers inside for journaling. So that goes there and there and there. And we've got like pastel colored paper clips. And this is another piece. It goes right here. Beautiful paper. Oh, this, because I did another flip through for this. This threads through here and ties. So we open it up there, and that opens there. And we have this, isn't it cute? Mary the butt. And then on the back you can journal. More journaling paper. And a little journaling card there. So let me show you properly how this goes quickly. That goes there. Pull it through. Okay, I'm not having a lot of luck there. Almost kind of a secret place. So you just do like so, just one knot. You don't even need to do two, one light knot in there. Another journaling card, very cute. Vintage paper. It's just such a delightful little journal. Some decoration there. And you just got various papers in here. And another little pocket there with a few odds and ends that you can use in the journal itself. Where was that? This way. Then we have this, it's quite lovely. It's just, this is a netting here, tool, and you have a simple little journal that you can actually just take out and put it in your bag that you can write in with decoration on the front. And we've got, this is like a velvety saying there, word. Bits of ephemera for you to use in the journal. That opens, so here we have an envelope. Then we have, look at this page, isn't it gorgeous? Lovely lace there. Decorated tag. Oh yes. Tags. So we have that. This is part of Amity's Nazi's kit. A little rabbit there. And then we have, this is a window. Here's a little house decoration, and we have, this is a cutout from there which you can stick a photograph on. And here we have another tag. You can write on here, just more ephemera. And that page, really cute, really beautiful. And that was the last of it. So there we have this really beautiful journal. I hope you will take a look at it on my, let's just press this down. This should be a little bit more down like that, yeah. On my coffee shop. And I will see you again for the next one. Take care, ladybugs. Bye-bye.